Okay, we are going to use multiplication facts we know to find facts that we don't know. So I don't know 6 times 7, but I know my 5s and I know my 10s. Okay, so I'm going to use 5 because it's closest to 6. So I'm going to draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I have, whoops, I got a little carried away. 5 times 7. So I'm going to count by 5 7 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 5 times 7 times 7 equals 35. Now I need to add another group of 7 because that's only 5 and I need 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to add that extra group on. So that is the 6 times 7. So I'm going to say 5 times 7 is 35. And then I have to add on this one extra group of 7. 35 plus one group of 7 is 7. So 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 equals 42. Okay? So it equals that 42. So 35 plus 7. Okay. Here we have 9 times 7. Oh, right away I see a problem, but I'll fix it here. This should be a minus, and it'll be fixed in your slide. But here we have 9 times 7. I don't know 9 times 7, so I'm going to say 10, because 9 is close to 10, times 7 equals 70. I can do that in my head. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm going to go over because that's what I know. I know 10 times 7, and I'm going to, because I added this one. This is an addition, okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to go over and across. So this is my box here. So I have 10 times 7 equals 70. But I added, so this is what I needed to know. Right here. Okay. I added this whole row. So I have to minus one group of 7. So 70 minus 7. So 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63 equals 63. So we get 70 minus 7 equals 63. Okay, so here we have 7 times 7. So I am going to do, these are the 5. I'm going to 5s because it's easier. 5 times 7, so that's this set of boxes. That's what I know. And 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. We know this is 35, but I need 2 more rows of 7. 2 more rows of 7. So 2 more rows of 7 equals 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 7 times 7 equals 5 groups of 7 plus 2 groups of 7. So 5 times 7 we said is 35. Here's the 5 times 7, we said that's 35. We had to add on 2 more rows. 35 plus 14 equals, so we're going to put a 35 on the top of this and put a plus. We get 9 and we get a 4 equals 49. So 7 times 7 equals 49. All right, so here you're doing it with 8 times 7. So this is the 10 times 7, but what we need is this. Okay, so this is, whole thing is 10 times 7, which we know is 70. Okay, but we only want to know 8 times 7. So I have 2 extra rows minus 2 extra groups of 7. Well, we said 2 times 7 equals 14. Okay, so we have 70 minus 14. So 70 minus 14. Now I could do this a couple different ways. I could do 70 minus 10 and get 60, and then go back 4 more, minus 4, so that's my 14, which gives me 56, because I can do that in my head. So that would be a 5, and this would be a 10, so 56. Or I could just do this, 6, 10, 6, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So both ways are okay. So we know that 8 times 7 is 56.